This giant blue parrot is called the Hyacinth Macaw, the largest flying parrot on Earth. These powerful birds live in the tropical forests of South America, especially in Brazil. In the wild, hyacinth macaws fly long distances over the rainforest searching for food and safe places to rest. They build their nests inside large tree cavities where they protect their eggs and raise their chicks. Up close, their bright blue feathers and striking yellow eye rings make them one of the most beautiful parrots in the world. But despite their strength and beauty, these amazing birds are becoming rare as their natural habitat disappears.